When I first started using Adobe Premiere, it took me forever to edit videos, and I think the main thing that I've come to of why it took me so long is I didn't know any of the shortcuts in the program at all. And it definitely saved me a lot of time to go ahead and learn these shortcuts that I'm about to show you. They're all pretty basic, and they're stuff that you use almost like so many times while editing different videos. So just to get right into it, here are 10 hotkeys that are going to save your life while editing videos. Your cut tool, so instead of going to this bar, clicking cut every single time and going back and clicking the cursor, there is such an easy solution. Go ahead and press C on your keyboard and just cut right here. You can make cuts wherever you want, and that is basically how the only thing that you have to do to solve that. And to get back to your cursor, if you want to do something else, just click V. So V will bring you back to your cursor if you're in any tool, like if you're in like a keyframe tool or something like that, V will always bring you back to your cursor. I want this quote right here, let's say, I'll press Command C and I'll paste it down here, Command V. So Command C and Command V are your copy and paste keys. If you ever want to undo something that you've done, let's say like you deleted the wrong part of a quote, you need that part back for your soundbite, totally okay, don't freak out. Command Z will undo and it'll get you your clip back, no problem. One thing to use while working in the interface and you let's say you zoomed in on something automatically and you don't even know how you did it, the plus sign is always going to be your zoom key, and the minus sign right to the left of that is your minus key, so it allows you to zoom in and out of your timeline. If you ever have this red bar appear above my footage like you see here, it may end up causing lag. I don't think it will in this case, but it may mean that your clip might lag when you try to play it back. So if you press enter, it's going to render all of these video previews, and basically what that means is it's going to make sure that when you play something back, it's not going to lag. You're going to be able to see what you're editing in real time, and this red line will also go away. So it'll turn green or yellow. A really big one, and I cannot stress this enough, is Command S. That is going to save your project and probably save your life if you accidentally X out of it. To export your video, go ahead and press Command M, and it's going to bring up your export settings. That is the 10 hotkeys I have for you.